Hey everyone. So I have this Cuisinart mixer thingamajigger that I got as a wedding gift, and we never got a gift receipt. We didn't know where it was purchased, and it worked once and never worked again. Never bothered fixing it. The first thing I made money off was the cap and the glass holder, or whatever you want to call it. Must have made $60 off of it on eBay. So I know there's a few people that make videos on what to sell on eBay and on Amazon, and if you have a broken mixer or you find one and the glass part and the cap is still good, meaning clean and not broken and scratched up or really used, you can definitely make money off of that. So go to thrift stores too. You can find a crappy old one, and just the glass and the cover might be worth more than what you pay for the whole thing. So this guy, pretty simple. There's not much about it. We have some stainless steel, like you can see here. Let's open this guy up here quickly. I had opened it up not too long ago to see why it wasn't working, but I couldn't figure it out. I'm sure it was just a bad motor, and that's it. The controls worked. It showed that it was working, it was spinning, it was counting minutes and whatnot. It just wouldn't spin, except for the one or two times that it actually did. So this is what the inside looks like. So there's a little green board. I open it up, but I doubt it'd be considered peripheral. You have a nice big motor right here. Not sure if it's worth breaking it apart. There's quite a bit of copper and some wires, and obviously this chunk of plastic. It doesn't look like it's any special type of plastic. It's not like that ABS plastic I was talking about that's worth anywhere between 10 to 30 cents if you can find someone to take it. I know locally I don't, so I just recycle the plastic. I get quite a bit of ABS plastic just because of the stuff I deal in.